చాల కలిగిన
కలువిరియ మహిసురియ సురభరితం అరుణ కలువిరియ మహిసురియ సురభరితం తగ్గజం తగ్గజం తగణగజం తగణగజం తళాంగదో
కది తక తకిట తక జను తక తకిట తక దిమి తక తకిట
నూపురధర సుందరధర శోభిత వలయ నూపురధర సుందరధర శోభిత వలయ.
When she performed Manduka Shabda, she was so effortless in her expressions. You know, the entire thing is very fast, and not only the movements are fast, but the expressions also have to change.
And I must congratulate Sharaji and Aparnaji for giving that kind of support to Vanika. And they were worried when Sharaji finally has to move from Hyderabad, my hometown, home city rather, to Bangalore, which is my adopted city. And their only worry is how will she continue her dance education. And they are so lucky to find Avijitji. Vanika, you could not have found a better guru in Bangalore, maybe.
10. So she has balanced her academics, she has practiced, she has not let any of her other responsibilities in the school to take a back seat. She, for your information, so and ma'am, she is also a council member, a student leader, and she is a happiness minister.
While Vanika didn't have an opportunity to meet him, but be sure you can count on his blessing. He will be a very, very happy soul up there watching you to do this. It's an outstanding moment for this family as well, the entire Sahai family.
सत्यभामने 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 अंधगतवनुचु वलचिनंदुगे अलमि कौगिटनु जेचेवो गंधमलदि ವಿರುಲೋಗನು ಜೋಟಿ ಗಪ್ಪುರ ಬಾಗಲ ಇಚ್ಚೇವೋ
ನನ್ನ ಕದರದಿ ಕುತರದಿ